Hello kids, our today class is vocabulary building. Let's start with me. A. A. A is for aeroplane. A. A. Aeroplane. B. B. B is for balloon. B. B. Balloon. C. K. C is for crocodile. K. K. Crocodile. D. D. D is for dinosaur. D. D. Dinosaur. E. A. E is for egg. A. A. Egg. F. F is for fan. Fan. G. G. G is for grasshopper. G. G. Grasshopper. H. H. H is for hen. H. H. Hen. I. E. I is for ink. E. E. Ink. J. J. J is for jug. J. J. Jug. K. K. K is for kangaroo. K. K. Kangaroo. L. L is for lemon. Lemon. M. M is for mouse. Mouse. N. N is for necklace. Necklace. O. O. O is for octopus. O. O. Octopus. P. P. P is for pencil. P. P. Pencil. Q. Qua. Q is for queen. Qua. Qua. Queen. R. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. S. S is for snake. Snake. T. T is for tiger. Tiger. U. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V. V is for van. Van. W. W is for wind. Wind. X. X is for X-ray. X-ray. Y. Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yo. Z. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Thank you for watching. Don't